Hello everyone, welcome in Vishwesvaraya Abhiyantriki Padvika Mahavidyalaya Almala. My name is Professor Halnure K.M. as a lecturer in Department of Civil Engineering, and we discuss and study about the subject Basic Surveying. The subject code is 22205 as per MSBTE scheme syllabus. So this subject is available in the second sem of the diploma in civil engineering. So first we discuss about the teaching scheme and examination scheme of this subject basic surveying. In the basic surveying subject, the teaching scheme and examination scheme are shown on the screen. So first the teaching scheme. Teaching scheme is available for the 1 week, only for the 1 week. In the 1 week there are the 3 number of lectures available for the teaching scheme in the basic surveying subject, and the 4 hours for the practicals. So total the 7 hours is available for the basic surveying subject for the 1 week. So this is the teaching scheme. And the examination scheme is in the examination there are the theory and also the practicals available in the basic surveying subject. In the theory, the end semester means the theory examination is for the 70 marks, and in the theory the 30 marks is for the submissions or manuals, etc. So the total 70 plus 30 is 100 marks for the theory. Then in the practical, ESC means there are the external oral for the basic surveying subject of 50 marks. The 50 marks for the oral, and for the oral there are the external examiner, and also the 50 marks for the practicals, and it is also in the external examiner. So there are the 50 plus 50, total 100 marks, and the grand total for this basic surveying subject is the 100 plus 100 is the 200 marks. So basically the 200 marks is available for the basic surveying subject in the second sem of the civil engineering diploma. So this is the teaching scheme and the examination scheme marks. In the next slide we discuss the how many topics is available in this subject. So in the basic surveying subject there are the 6 topics available. So serial number first or the topic number first is the overview and classification of survey, and for this topic the 4 teaching hour is available, and this topic is asked in the MSBTE final exam for the 6 marks only. Then the second topic is the chain and cross tab survey. For this topic 6 teaching hours available, and the 8 marks questions asked in the MSBTE final exam. Then the third topic is the chain and compass traverse survey. This topic having 12 teaching hours, and this topic is asked in the exam for the 16 marks. The third topic is the second highway test topic in the basic surveying. Then the fourth topic is the leveling. The fourth topic is important in the basic surveying, and for this fourth topic 16 teaching hours available, and this topic is asked in the MSBTE exams for the 24 marks. Then the fifth topic is the contouring. For this contouring 6 teaching hours are available, and this topic is asked in the final MSBTE exam for the 10 marks. And the last topic, 6th topic, is the measurement of area and volume, and for this topic 4 teaching hours available, and this topic asked in the exam for 6 marks. So we see The third topic, chain and compass driver survey, and the fourth topic, leveling. These two topics, third and fourth topic, is asked in MSBTE exam for the high weightage. That is 16 marks for third topic and 24 marks for fourth topic compulsory. So these 6 topics we must be complete in the 48 hours in the second semester. And these 6 topics is asked in the final examination mark for the 17 marks. So these are the 6 topics available in the basic surveying subject. In the next slide, we discuss the contents of each topic. What are the contents available in the each topic? These is 6 topics. So our first topic is overview and classification of survey. This topic is asked in MSBTE exam for 6 marks. In the first topic, there are the 7 contents. So first content is the definitions, means the definition of surveying. Then the second content is the purpose of surveying. What are the purpose of surveying? This is the second content. Then the third content is the uses of surveying. What are the uses of the surveying in the different fields? Means for the buildings, for railway, for road. So many uses in the surveying in the many different fields. So we study in the next lecture one by one the contents. Then the fourth content is the general principle of surveying. It means what is the principle of surveying, main principle, key principle. We discuss in the fourth content. Then the fifth content is the classification of surveying. There are the many classification of surveying, classified, many types of surveying. So what are the classification of surveying, what are the types of surveying? We discussed in the content of fifth number. Then the sixth number content is the difference between plane surveying and geodetic surveying. The plane surveying and geodetic surveying is the main types of the surveying or the main classification of surveying. And in the sixth content, we discuss the basic difference between the plane surveying and geodetic surveying. So next content and last content of the first topic is the scales. What is meant by scale? The scales are different on the ground or on the field and also on the drawing sheet. So what is meant by scale? These all contents we discuss one by one in the next lecture, continuing. Okay. Then the second topic is the chain and cross staff survey in the basic surveying, and this second topic is asked in the exam for 8 marks. In this second topic there are 13 contents. So first content is the principle of chain surveying. Second, equipments of chain surveying. In the chain surveying, we survey on the field. Then there are the many equipments we used. So which equipments used, what are the uses of each equipment, we discuss in the second content. Then the third content is the index gauge. What is mean by index gauge? Then the fourth content is the types of offset. What is mean by offset and their types. Then fifth content is the ranging. What is mean by ranging? We discuss in fifth content. Then the sixth content is the difference between direct ranging and indirect ranging. The direct ranging and indirect ranging is the types of ranging. So we discuss in the sixth content is the basic difference between direct ranging and indirect ranging. Then the seventh content is obstacles in chaining. When we survey on the field by using chain surveying, then there is many obstacles. Then what types of obstacles is in between the chaining? We discussed in seventh content. The eighth content is the error in length. When we use a chain for measuring distance, then what are the errors occurred in the length? We discussed in eighth content. Ninth content is the principle of triangulation. 10th number content is the location sketch of survey station. What is mean by location sketch? And the diagram of location sketch. Then the 11th content of second topic is the running measurement of building, means the building measurement, running measurement, how to carry it out. We discussed in 11th content. The 12 numbers conventional science. The many conventional science we use in the surveying. So these all conventional science we discussed in the 12th content. Then the 13th content is the area calculation in bracket numericals. It means we use chain and cross-staff survey for the surveying. On the surveying, on the data of surveying, we calculate the area of the ground. So how calculated the area? By using survey. And there are the numericals based on the area calculation, and these numericals we carried out in the 13th content of the second topic. So these are the 13 content available in the second topic, chain and cross-staff survey. Then our third topic is chain and compass traverse survey. This is the second highest weightage chapter for the 16 marks. In the third topic, there are the 9 contents. The first content is the definitions, means the important definitions available in the third topic, chain and compass traverse survey. Then the second topic, the types of traverse. What is meant by traverse and their types. In the third content, difference between closed traverse and open traverse. The closed traverse and open traverse are the types of traverse. And we discuss the difference between closed traverse and open traverse in the third content. Then the fourth content is technical terms. Which technical terms we used in the chain and compass traverse survey in the third topic, and their definitions in the fourth content. Then the fifth content is the numericals based on WCB/RB and FB/back bearing. In the technical terms, there are the terms, for example, WCB, RB, FB, BB. Means what is meant by WCB, what is meant by RB. We discussed it in the fourth content, technical terms. And on these technical terms, there are the numericals. So these numericals we solved in the fifth content. Then sixth content is the prismatic compass. This is the instrument used in the surveying. The prismatic compass. Then what are the parts of prismatic compass? What is meant by prismatic compass? Their uses we discussed all in the sixth content. Then the 7th number content is the problems on included angle from FB and BB. There are also another numericals based on the included angle from the FB and BB. These problems we solve in the 7th content. 8th number content is the local attraction. What is meant by local attraction in the surveying, in the prismatic compass surveying? We discussed it in 8th content. And the last content of the third topic, 9th number, is the problems on calculation of corrected bearings. What is meant by bearings and which method is used for the correct these bearings? We discussed or solved the numericals in the 9th content. So these are the third topics contains. And this third topic is asked in the MSBTE exam for the 16 marks. This is the important topic. Then the next fourth topic is the leveling. This is the important topic in the surveying, and this topic is for the 24 marks. This is the first high weightage topic. In the leveling, there are 13 contents available. The first content is the object and use of leveling. What is the object of leveling and what are the uses of leveling? We discussed in first content. Then second content is terminologies, means there are technical terms used in the leveling. Then third topic is benchmark. What is meant by benchmark and their types? We discussed in third topic. Then the fourth content is the important terms used in leveling. What are the important terms? Which important terms we used in leveling surveying? Then the fifth number is the dumpy level. The dumpy level is the instrument used for the leveling. In the surveying, basic surveying, we use the dumpy level for the leveling operation on the field. So what are the parts of dumpy level it uses, it and all we discuss in fifth topic. Sixth content is the components of dumpy level, component parts of dumpy level. Seventh number content is the fundamental axis of the dumpy level. What is mean by fundamental axis? And there are sixth and seventh fundamental axis used in the dumpy level. So we discussed this fundamental axis in the seventh content. Eighth number content is the temporary adjustment of dumpy level. Which means when we go on the field, then there must be temporary, we do the temporary adjustment of dumpy level. Then how we do the temporary adjustment? Then this study we in the eighth content. The ninth number content is the leveling staff. This is also one of the instrument used for the surveying or in the leveling topic. The 10 number content is the types of leveling operations. There are the many types of leveling: simple leveling, differential leveling, and so on. So all these types of leveling we discussed in 10th content. 11th content, methods of calculation of reduced level. When we carried out the leveling operation, so we must be calculate the reduced level of the ground. Then there are two methods for calculation of reduced level. The first is HI method and second is rise fall method. These two methods we discussed in the 11th content step by step. Then 12th number content is the calculation of missing readings. Means we calculate or determine the missing readings in the 12th content. Third content is the error in leveling. What are the which types of error occurred in the leveling? We discuss these all 13 content one by one in the fourth topic, leveling. Then the next topic is the contouring. This is the fifth topic of the basic surveying, contouring, and this topic is asked in the MSBTE exam for the 10 marks. In the contouring, there are only 6 contents available. The first content is the introduction. It means what is meant by contouring and all. Now, basic introduction of the contouring is in the first content. The second content is the definitions. Which definitions, important definitions we used in the contouring survey. Third content is the uses of contour map. What is meant by contour map? And what are the uses of contour map? We discussed in the third content. Then the fourth content is the characteristics of contours. Means what are the characteristics of the contours? We discussed in the fourth content one by one. Then the fifth content of the fifth topic, contouring, is the methods of contouring. When we discuss about the contouring, uses of contouring, then there are the many methods for preparation of contour map. So we discussed all these methods in the fifth content. Then the sixth number content of the contouring is the method of interpolation of contours. What is meant by interpolation of contours and their methods we discussed in the sixth number content. So these are the 6 contents available in the fifth topic, contouring. And the last topic of the basic surveying subject is the measuring of area and volume, and is for 6 marks, and in which there are only four content. The first content is the introduction. Then second content is digital planimeter. This is the one of the important instrument used in the surveying for the calculation of area and volume. This is the digital planimeter. And in the second content, digital planimeter, we discuss the parts of digital planimeter uses, how it working. Okay. Then the third content is the measurement of area using digital planimeter, and we measure the area by using digital planimeter. How it's work, digital planimeter, we discuss in the third content. And the last content of the sixth topic is the measurement of volume of reservoir from the contour map. We should be measure the volume of reservoir. So there are two methods: trapezoidal formula, prismoidal formula. So these two methods for measuring volume we discussed in the fourth content. So these are the six topics and their contents of each topic. So in the next lecture we discuss the topic wise one by one content in briefly. Okay, and there are some safety instructions, that is regularly clean your hands with an alcohol based hand rub or wash them with the soap and water. This is the safety precautions on the COVIDs. So keep safe and study well, and in the next lecture we study the first topic and their contents one by one. Okay, thank you.